Alright guys, on this video we are going to be seeing how we can use OBS Ninja to invite guests to participate in any of our events. For instance, if I want to maybe handle a project on YouTube or maybe on Facebook or Telegram, I want to invite people to come and join, and I want their screen or their photos or their camera to all show up in that event. I can make use of OBS Ninja, this VDO Ninja software or site to integrate that. So how do I go about it? If you take a look at this now, you can see that this I just invited my phone, and my phone is here. I can decide to invite other guests. Let me just add another one. Let me add another guest. I'm going to open it with a different browser entirely. I'm going to use a different browser entirely so that it will show up. Okay, let me use another browser entirely. Okay, I'm using another browser entirely. Let's see what shows up, if it will work. Yeah, I just joined now with a different device entirely. Let's see how it pops up. Can you see it's appearing on my laptop? Can you see? Then let me use another one. Let me use, and it's using front camera there, as you can see. Let me use another one. Let me use Telegram to view it. Let's see if it's going to show three videos. I just joined with my my Telegram software. I had to use it as a browser. Okay, it's not working. It's not working. Problem with camera. Facing back. Let me use face front and see if it's going to allow me. Can you see? So I have about 3 guests currently. I have about 3 guests on this live presentation. Now on my this thing, on my OBS, now these 3 people are going to be captured. Can you see? This is device 1, this is device 2, and as you can see, as I pick my phone, is it not showing? What's happening? Is it interacting? Okay, I think one of the camera has been disabled. Okay, let me go back and see what's happening. What's happening? Let me copy this and try it again. Let's see. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I think some of the software are disturbing me. Alright, let me see if it will display now. It's paused. So now what I mean is, let me just use this to explain this. Maybe you can try it, and if it works from your end, or I'm using one phone to connect with 3 cameras. That's why it's giving this issue. So you can invite different people and can add a label to them. You can see if you click here, you can edit a label. I can add a name saying that this person is also person from so destination or location. I can do it that way and it will work. So all I want is to bring different guests to my presentation so that I can live stream them, or I can record. Maybe I'm on a live stream section, I can show them on my OBS and project OBS out. That's just the essence of using this tool. So how do you get started with it? I will have to disconnect those ones now and start it. Let me disconnect. So let's go back to this place and disconnect completely. Okay, you can see we are not online. So how do you go about this? you go to your, just go to your VDO.ninja, go to your VDO.ninja, and okay, I want it to load. Once on your VDO.ninja, you can see this create room. So this create room means you want to invite many persons to come and join. So I'll click on it. Now I'll give the room a name. So maybe I'm teaching Facebook ad. I'll just title it Facebook ads, or maybe Facebook 4 persons. I'll just put 4. Then password, I will insert a password that will work for me. So I'm going to use a password now. Ensure you use a password that you can recall. So the guest can see the director but not other guest videos. You can do it this way. If you activate this, it means your guest is not going to see other guest videos, which is not fine. I will advise you don't activate it. But if you want privacy, you can use this. So the director will be performing as well, appearing in group scenes. You can see, you can activate this, and you as a director, you are going to appear. So what do you do now? You can join the group, the group through this control center, or you can join as a participant. But I want to join as a control center because I want to live stream it. I want to send this to my OBS so that I'll be able to record every conversation or every discussion on the live section and capture all their faces on my OBS. So I'll click on this. As soon as I click on this, you can see I can add different guests. So here is where you are going to copy guest link and send to your guest. So if you send to your guest and your guest type this on their browser, they are going to be able to add their camera. They are going to be able to add their camera. So I will just click on this, copy this, and send into my guest. I want to use my phone as a guest. So I'll send it to my phone. The moment I send it to my phone, I'll be able to access it. So now let me access it with my phone. They just ask I insert password. So I will insert the password I used. I will insert the password I use and enter it. So it will show me, do you want to share your screen or you want to join with your camera? I want to join with camera. But if as a guest, you want your guests to join with their screen, like you want them to share their screen, you can use this join with share screen. So now I want to join with my camera. So I'll click on join my camera. Then I'll click on start. The moment I click on start, the guest is going to appear here. Let's see, can you see? This is a guest, this is the camera I'm using, and you can see it's appearing here. So if you send the same link to other guests, that's how their device are going to be captured here. So they will display here. Then now, how do you now send it to your OBS? You come to this place, click on copy link. As you click on this copy link, you will go to your OBS, you go to your OBS, then you click on your plus to add a source. You click on this browser, you give it a name. You can use VDO Ninja guest. You can just add anything the essence is just for you to know what you are using or what source it is. So I will insert that link here. The link I copied. Here is the link. This is the capture link. This is where you send what's showing here to your OBS. So I'll insert it here and click on OK. You will see OBS will be able to capture everything that is on. Can you see? So OBS is now capturing everything that will show you. So if you have multiple guests, it's going to be captured here. You're going to have all of the guests appeared on your OBS. So as you are live streaming or you are recording, it's going to be captured on your video. You get? So that's that. Now let me try to activate my as an admin or as an editor. If you want to activate it, you can see enable director's microphone or video. So if I activate this now, can you see? It just activated video on my device. I will click on this to share my screen, but this one is to what? Disable camera. The camera is disabled now. Why? So this is more of the preview of the director's output. So here is if you want to toggle chat, you want to chat between these people. Maybe you want to send a private message telling them that so is happening. you get. So you can click on this, just drop a message, the person will be able to see it, and you are good to go. So this camera, you can see the camera. I just enabled the camera. I just enabled, or did I disable it? I think I disabled it. So you can see, then I can share my screen with them. I can share my screen with them so that they'll be able to see what's happening. I can click on this, share my screen. They can also do same from their end. So this is the screen that is shared. So it's going to be showing on their end. Let me send a screenshot of what is happening on my phone so that you understand what I'm saying. So this is currently what is happening on the guest part. So the guest will be able to see your screen, while you'll be able to see their face. But if they are sharing their screen, you'll be able to see their faces as well. So let me go to my what's happening? Oh, something is happening. I don't know. All right. Sorry. So you can see this is the presentation on the guest. As you can see, this is how they are seeing the live presentation. This is the screen I shared. The guest will be able to see my screen. If I want to share something with them, this is the guest video. Then my video is going to show here if I enabled it. So that's how. So if you have about 10 or 5 guests, this is how it's going to show. So what you need to do is just to just project it via OBS out. So this is a view. You can see this is the camera of my laptop. This is the screen I shared. Then this is the guest view. So what I'm going to do is to what? I will just transition this one so that it will be shared to whatever channel I'm streaming to or I'm trying to record. So the essence is to at least invite people from their end to be able to connect with you so that you can share their screen or they can converse with you online. If you are hosting a training, you are training people, you want to just invite people. For instance, you're using Telegram. Telegram does not support multiple people live at the same time, but with the help of this tool, you can do it. How do you do it? You just set up this. Once you set up this, go to the video I treated on how you can live stream using Telegram to your using Telegram and OBS. You can do the same setup and just send this thing live. Once you send it live, you'll be able to see that your OBS have been connected to your guest that is not in your location and you are live streaming it to your Telegram. So you have multiple screens shared with your Telegram. So that's how to use this video to invite guests to come and join you. So if you are done, you can just go and terminate, which is almost same thing. You can just go there and just stop. You can mute. There are a whole lot to do here. You can just do whatever it is that you feel it's okay. You can do it. I want to deactivate these ones. You can see I've deactivated them. I can customize, give them name. I can give them name so that I'll be able to know which guest, and as it's displaying, people will be able to know which guest. You can see this is me, the director. This is my screen. This is me. This is my screen that I share. This is my camera. This is my guest. If I have multiple guests, I will have them here, and that's how it's been done. So once you are done, whatever it is that you want to do on OBS, you can just transition, and if you are done, you just pause, which is almost same pattern as usual.